Tomorrow's a big day for this place.
Looks like they've got a presentation to their most important client about a confidential private stock offering. Sure hope everybody's getting a good night's sleep. They are gonna need it.
It's funny how much stuff people leave in the office, huh? It's like they want me to take their personal information.
I'm Mr. Vice President of blah, 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 and my life is ruined.
These folks have no idea that when they come to work in the morning, I don't only have helped myself to their personal identities, but I've gotten hold of their clients' most sensitive financial information. The ironic thing is these guys probably spent a fortune securing their network and their servers. But because no one bothered to arm any of these PCs with the BIOS defense system, my malware is free to do its thing. Now that's what I call a metaphor.